Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about crochet cushions cover. Crochet cushion covers are is a decoration used for our homes. Rusted weighted yarn in your choice of color, crochet hooks, yarn needle, cushion insert. Make a slip knot and chain the desired length of your cushion cover. This should be multiple of the cushion with plus a few extra stitches of flexibility. If your cushion is 6 inches wide, you might chain 50-60 stitches for a fabric cover. Turn your work in the second chain from the hook. Make one single crochet. Continue making 1 second in each chain stitches across the row. Turn your work, chain 1 and repeat the second row until you have the desired height for your cushion cover. Remember to count your stitches to ensure consistency. If you want to add color variation, change yarn color at the end of a row. Cut the old color leaving a tail, join the new color and continue crocheting. You can add texture or a pattern to your cover by using different stitches like double crochet, half double crochet or any other decorative stitches. Once you have reached the desired height, fasten off the yarn, leaving a long tail. Fold your work in half, right sided together and wipe stitches or slip stitches the two sided together. Make sure your cushion insert fits snugly. To create a knitted edge, you can single crochet around the opening of the cushion cover. Weave in any loose ends with an yarn needle. Congratulations, you have completed your crochet cushion covers. Feel free to customize this script by adding your own creative touches, colors, and patterns. Happy crochet! Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel.